Ahead of Delhi elections, remember, there's a strict model code of conduct that has been put in place. However, Delhi police has seized 47 lakh rupees in cash ahead of elections. In cash, approximately 50 lakh rupees have been seized from a vehicle in Delhi. So the investigation is on if part of this money was going to be used for upcoming Delhi elections. By who? By which party? Recovered from a car during a routine check. This is very concerning. While we do not have details about if it belonged to any of the candidates, their team, or of a party, but that's the visual of the screen. Approximately 50 lakh rupees in cash. Remember, while of course it's a busy capital city, all sorts of businesses also that are running and functioning. However, 50 lakh rupees approximately in cash to be found from one vehicle. Where was it being taken? What is the proof that it is not in any amount of black money that is being transferred from one side to another? The Delhi police have seized this amount from with a routine check from a vehicle, possibly a tip-off as well. We are told that the suspect has been nabbed, but there will be more details on who was behind it, and importantly, who did it belong to? Was it for some business or was it a political influence? Aishwarya Paliwal joins me on this. Aishwarya, this is a big amount of money. Any details that are coming in from Delhi police on this?
Well, we have seen how, Pooja, every election time, there are seizures that take place. The Election Commission being very, very clear that all the points, the entry and the exit points, Pooja, those are the ones which very keenly have to be looked at. And we have also seen multiple complaints being filed, not just by the Aam Aadmi Party, even by the BJP. The BJP at the moment is saying that a lot of money is being thrown in from the state of Punjab, in the state of the national capital, with regards to elections, and it's been done by the Aam Aadmi Party. So that's one allegation that we are now looking at. On the other side, we are also seeing how the police is now making sure that all the points, the checkpoints, the entry and the exit at the moment is being very closely looked at. People, Pooja, without any receipt, if they are also caught carrying cash, then that also becomes an issue, especially during the election time. So we are seeing this is the recovery process, and from what we understand, both from Delhi police and even from the Election Commission, Pooja, we will see this number going up because the seizures still continue.
All right, Aishwarya is telling us about how the Election Commission, its team, are ensuring that they're on the job right now, of course, with Delhi police to ensure nobody can misuse their position, their power, muscle and money power ahead of elections.